My name is Gerson. In this video, I will show you how I connected my Node web app to OAuth using GitHub as the authentication provider. First, I am using some essential libraries like Express, Mongoose, Passport, and Passport GitHub too to make this integration work. I also use .env to manage environment variables securely, like this. Um, After connecting my app to MongoDB using Mongoose, I set up middlewares to handle JSON requests, sessions, and cores. This ensures that my API can receive requests from various origins. Now comes the important part, the OAuth configuration, this part here. I am using Passport with GitHub strategy. This requires a client ID, a client secret, and a callback URL, which are provided by GitHub when you register your app. For that, I create two OAuth apps, one for my prod render and another for dev. And for each, I have my secret keys and client ID separate for both environments, and then I can connect without issues. So, which are provided by GitHub. When you register your app, these values are pulled from environment variables, which is critical for both local and production environments like render. Then I define how the user is serialized and deserialized so that the session persists after logging. Next, I create the authorization route. GitHub starts the login process with GitHub. GitHub callback is triggered by GitHub after the user authorizes the app. If the login is successful, the user is redirected to dashboard. The dashboard route is protected and only accessible to logged in users. And finally, logout allow the users to end the session. My main routes, like student and course, continue work as usual, but now I can protect them using authentication. At the end, the server starts on a specific port and my app is ready to use with GitHub or Auth authentication. Now I'm going to show you my application. Uh, Quickly, I have here my git ignore. I'm not pushing my client ID and client secret ID because those information are in my .env file, as I show. This is my class course and students. I had implemented a condition where I have just access for those routes if I'm logged in. I will show it in a minute. This is my MongoDB. I have two collection, course and students, where I am using to do my demonstration. Okay, so I have here my application. I create this dash just to get easy to log in and log out. So now I'm gonna log in, and then I am here. Get this, ask me to pick to authorize. I'm gonna authorize my application. Okay, I'm logging. Now I can come here. I can get. I'm gonna execute. See what I have here in my database. I have these three records. I'm gonna get this record here. I will delete, and then I can try out, delete, and then execute, and the response was 200. It's successful because I'm logged in. Now I'm gonna log it out. I will get another record, this one here. I'm gonna try to delete, and now I'm gonna execute, and I have a response 401. or unauthorized. So I can delete because I'm not logged in. So another example, I will try to create a new record. I'm going to post, try out. I'm going to create a course, call it C sharp. I'm going to execute and I'm not logged. So could be, I'm going to receive an error message. Is 401, so unauthorized. Now I'm going to log it in. Now I'm logged. I will execute, and now I have a success. So that's it. This is my demonstration from my application. Thank you.